Hi everybody, it's Jeff Fitzpatrick and the Share Show on the 14th of June 2021. So a question for everybody. How much do you actually want as opposed to how much do you actually need? Let's have a quick look at what it takes to live with a passive income. So the question is, what level of trading pot, what size of trading pot will it take to support the passive income that you want? In the UK, average earnings is less than £2,000 per month. In fact, about 1,950. But let's work on £10,000 per month. So what size of trading pot may you need to generate £10,000 per month, and how long will it take to build it? If you were taking out 5% per month, then you need a pot of 200,000. And at 6% per month, it's 166,666.6 recurring pounds. I've rounded it, 166,667. So how long would it take to get there? So you're making this 4, 5, 6% per month. How long will it take to get to the level that would give you your £10,000 per month? Well, I'm going to base the performance on the 2021 performance of the Tees Investment Club and a tax rate of 40%. Of course, I don't expect anyone to be paying 40% on it, but that's another story. So if you visit the www.smartinvestments.ai website, you can put your own figures in and do some calculations. Nothing is recorded or retained on that website in terms of this at all, so feel free to have a play with it. So I started with the target of having a £250,000 trading pot. I put in the lump sum deposit that I had available, which is £10,000, and how much per month I think I could add to that level, which was £200. With time moving on, each year I expect to be able to add a little bit to what I'm putting in each month. And I've set that in this example at £50. So in year 2, I'll be putting £250 in per month. To get to that level of £250,000 to give me my £10,000 per month on this example would take 7 years. If you increase the lump sum or the monthly amount or the annual inflation rise that you're going to put into it, then you can actually bring that 7 years down. But that's for you to play with. So if we need 4, 5, 6% per month, what are we actually doing at present? Well, since the 1st of June, so less than a month, it's only the 14th when I'm recording this, our club's trading accounts have seen growth of T's $5,300. That's 7.57%. Diamond 28,821. That's 6.69%. And Fortune $5,830 or 6.39%. So the 4, 5, 6% that I used in the previous example is not unrealistic. And before we move on, just to note, this week is expiration week. So Friday's expiration Friday. So we might begin to see some bit of a pullback here, but also, I do expect further growth during the course of the month. Meanwhile, in the overall market, what's going on there? Well, the NASDAQ is still in that lower lane of traffic, but it's rising in there. I'm okay with that. I think that we'll get that continued slow but sure growth, which is fine by me. And the S&P 500 too is mid-trend. So of course things can go either way, but to me at the moment, I'm okay with where the markets are. And of course, over the weekend, I've been doing my stock picks and we've got some really good ones. First of all, HAE, which I'm looking at an 85, 86% return on capital employed. That's for the December $80 put. And then VIAC, also known as Meridian Bioscience, 83.8%, again on the December 60. And EDU, an education company. We're coming down a bit, but it is a much lower price stock. So 58.9% return on capital employed on the October 15 put. These picks are drawn from the weekly list that I put together, which has about 25 different stocks on it. And these are the top couple of them. But they go down to around 14 or 15% return. Those ones I don't worry too much about. For me, I'm looking for at least a 20% return on capital employed before I take any interest in a trade at all. And next, coming soon, the Share Club. Of course, I was on holiday last week in beautiful North Wales, so I didn't get a lot done on this. But during the next week or so, I will be putting into place the Share Club to bring people in, to find out what we do, to learn more about us, to engage with us, and just to get to know us and to trust us before they actually decide. It's free membership, mainly directed at people who are not quite ready to join us. But all club members will be enrolled automatically unless they opt out. There are benefits. There will be financial and trade plans which can be personalized, simulated trading accounts, which of course you have anyway as a member, the monthly newsletter, and insights into company reports, and of course your very own share show. And in the news, I'm adding another date to our diaries. But first, meeting dates. In May, we tried to hold several club meetings on the same evening, the optimum evening for the meetings. It didn't really work. There was overrunning. There was all sorts going on. So I'm going back to having one club meeting per night. I think that's probably better for everybody concerned. And here are the dates. So this week on the 17th, Thursday, all of these are at 7 p.m. We've got Fortune. Next week on Tuesday, we've got Diamond. And on Wednesday, we've got Tees. The new date for your diary is 4 p.m. on Wednesday, the 21st of July, where I'm holding an introduction webinar. We're doing a lot of work behind the scenes with LinkedIn and all sorts of marketing activity to let people know about this. I'm also going to put into place, as a trial, a reward program, so that if an existing member introduces somebody new to us who actually takes us up and joins, then I want to thank them for that. And that will be with a voucher with a £100 contribution towards training. Whether that's the MMCP, our forthcoming live presentation in September, or advanced training, you could actually build up by introducing people to get the training completely free. But I don't want to turn this into some sort of you join just to bring other people in type scheme. As far as I'm concerned, if you want to bring what we're doing to the attention of others, that's great. I really want as many people to be helped as possible. But if you're not comfortable with that, then don't do it. Just enjoy the benefits yourself. And of course, that other date to save is the 24th of September, when we're going to have a live weekend in the middle of England someplace. Venue yet to be determined. That will be to run a live version of the MMCP, the Making Money with Careful Planning training, and also we'll have a bit of a conference. But it's a great chance to meet everybody. But again, we'll get details out as they become available. At this stage, it's just a question of keep the date. And that's about it for this week. On we go, onward and upward. Great to see you all. Thank you.